welcome back to another episode of Skate Talk. I'm Leah.
And I'm Ines.
In this series, we talk about our products, how to use them, and skate culture in general. In this episode, we are going to present our brand new Slades model, the S-Quad Vegan Blue.
So this model is basically the same shape and the same skate shoe as our two original models, which are the white and the black ones, except it is entirely vegan. The upper is made of 42% recycled or renewable sources, and the sole is this white and blue rubber. The system is exactly the same as it's always been on our Slades and Flaneurs shoes, and they are compatible with your current Slades if you already have some. And last but not least, it is also a new color that we've never had before. It is white and baby blue, and I love this color. I think it's so perfect for spring and summer, and to be honest, all year round because, bring a little sunshine in your life.
Many of you asked us to develop a vegan model on our social media, by email, so we really heard that demand and we created these Slades. We are so proud to be able to commercialize these vegan Slades, and we hope that you will love it as much as we do. And that's that. Thanks guys for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't hesitate to drop a comment and tell us which subjects or objects you would like us to review. We'd be happy to make a video out of that. Don't hesitate to subscribe, activate the bell button to be notified when new videos come out, and see you next time. Bye!